Here's a 2018 Genesis G90. With a thoughtful approach to beauty, intuition, and ability, this G90 can't help but impress. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, hands-free liftgate, V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, external memory control, power reclining heated ventilated rear seats, height adjustable automatic suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.